Welcome to Digisoft's services. Today we learn how to repair your data by just using Ctrl+Alt+R. Ctrl+Alt+R. TallyPrime rewrite data. If you are opening Tally and suddenly you will see that your data is not opening, it means that data is corrupted. Now don't worry about that, because in TallyPrime there is the shortcut key to repair your data by using Ctrl+Alt+R. Now the question arises that, how do you know that your data is corrupted? How to use this shortcut key or rewrite data? Then there is the answer in next slide. How do you know that your data is corrupted? When you open your company, you will see the following error. File/size/position/error code. Memory access violation. Debug location error. Data file damaged. Need to write. File damaged. Please like, subscribe and share this video for further information. How to use this shortcut key or rewrite data. Steps to rewrite your company. Go to Gateway of Tally. Press Ctrl+Alt+R. The list of company appears. Press Enter to rewrite the data. Again press Enter to repair data. Once the rewriting procedure is completed, you will be able to access your restored data. Thank you for watching this video. For further information on related topic, connect with Digisoft services. Support number 965 087 1116965 053 1116.